It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this one yesterday, but want to get some updates made. And the big update here all revolves around, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video, but it all revolves around this point right here at basically the $3 mark. And in yesterday's video, I talked about how the price had really just struggled many times to try to break above it. So it got rejected right there. It got rejected there, and then yesterday, got rejected yesterday morning. However, this morning, the first 30 minutes represented by that candle right there, you can see the price got up there and then finally broke through it. And then after breaking through, got some continuation, and then, got kind of boring the remainder of the day. But, keep in mind, this area of boring, this sideways action, obviously higher than, this whole sideways action of area. And that's the name of the game when, or I should say, as long as, the quote-unquote boring areas keep getting higher and higher as time goes by, that's what you want to see. So got the break, and $3 is now the newest area of support, and the ideal one, meaning, as long as the price stays above there, then as far as I'm concerned, the chart looks about as good as possible. Now, even if the price does drop below it, I'm not going to say everything's ruined, because you still do have the overall trend indicator, which I talked about yesterday too, that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. But, preferably speaking, yeah, you definitely don't want to see the price dropping back below $3. But I mean, really, the price could come down here, bounce around, and then head back up. And even if the price did that, I mean, even at that point, you'd have that set of lows right there, which is higher than that set, which is higher than that set, which is higher than that set. And then when you picture those as stair steps, hopefully you get the point. I mean, the price would still just, slowly be building in that upwards direction. So nice movement, finally able to get up above and stay above the $3 mark. Now it's just really about, doing battle with the next area of resistance. And as I talked about in yesterday's video, that level is right up there at 325. The price didn't quite hit it today, but, it's getting up in the vicinity. So we'll see what happens with it tomorrow. But, the bulls are definitely in a nice little coiled up position here. So we'll see if they can make a run and then break above 325. We shall see, but no doubt about it, very nice day today. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.